class, in this video we are going to learn how to find the value of g of f of 2. For you to find the value of g of f of 2, we have to substitute the value of 2 in the f of x first. We're going to have the f of 2. Let's find the f of 2 first. Here we have first by 3 minus 5 into 2 plus 1 is equals to 8 minus 5 times 2 here is equals to 10 plus 1. This is equals to 8 minus 10 equals to minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1 equals to minus 1. Finally, we got minus 1 as our f of 2. And since we are looking for g of f of 2, then we are going to substitute minus in the g of minus 1 is equals to 7 minus into minus 1 square. Therefore, this is equals to 7 minus times minus here is, this is minus 1 raised power 2 is equals to 1. We have 7 minus 1, this is equals to 6. Therefore, g of f of 2 is equals to 6. That is the first one. Let's solve the second one. This says what is f of g of x? Given f of x is equals to this, g of x is equals to this. Then finally, we are going to say I'm going to substitute the value of, let's substitute x minus 5 into x here. Since we are looking for f of g of x, substitute f of x in g of x. Therefore, f of g of x equals to, and substitute here we have x 5 square plus, substitute this one here, plus 3 into x minus 5 plus 2. Therefore, this is equals to the x minus 5 into x minus 5 plus, in the bracket with 3 times x, 3 times minus 5, f minus 15. Let's remove the bracket here. We have x times x here is equals to x square minus x times 5. Have minus 5 minus 5x. We have minus 5x. Have plus 25 minus 5x minus 5x plus 25. That is multiply x times x here, x times minus 5, x times minus 5 is 5 plus 3x minus 15 plus 2. Let's collect the like terms. Here we have x squared. Let's say we have x squared minus 10x plus 3x plus 3x up 25 minus 15 plus 2 we have minus 30. Let's say plus 25 minus 15 plus 2. Then if you add the total of this, you will get 10x minus 3x. You will have x squared 10x minus 3x. Here we'll have minus 7x. Then you will get plus 25 minus 15 plus 2. 25 minus 15 is 10. 15. 10 plus 2 is 12. That is the final answer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos.